early morning in Lima, and there's already thousands of runners participating in one of the biggest marathons in South America, the Lima Marathon. This race is a celebration of resilience, community, and pushing past limits. Later on in this video, get another endurance event here, the Lima Ironman.
Your dad is running right now, right? He's doing the full marathon?
The full marathon.
How far are you going to help him with this part?
1 kilometer.
1 kilometer? Okay. That's a good, strong daughter right there.
Also cool to see family and friends cheering on and helping out emotionally.
Uh-oh, Rappy out here doing it.
Marathons are not easy. A full, whether it's 26 miles or 42 kilometers, and if it's your first marathon, you most likely will hit a mental barrier. There's definitely parts of the marathon that are more mentally tasking than others, so it definitely helps to have either a running partner and or the crowd cheering you on to help you push through. For most people that do endurance exercises, the goal is not to be the best, but to be the best version of you. To show up, train, and complete a full marathon is a great feeling of accomplishment, regardless of the time it takes you to complete it. It's an experience that can be had no matter the age, as long as you have a determined mindset, which also inspires us onlookers and future marathon runners.
There they go. All right, you found them.
These two events were a few weeks apart, but now I want to show you some footage I captured at the Lima Ironman.
Looking strong, looking strong.
Although I didn't get to the starting location in time to see any of the swimmers, we did get a lot of footage of the runners and bikers along the 13.1 mile loop along the coast. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you enjoyed this viewing experience, check out some of my other videos right here.